Looking for something magical with charm? A home that feels more like a storybook cottage than a typical villa? Hello, I'm Fred from Mapro Night Frank, and I've got something special to show you today. Come and have a look with me. This inviting home is filled with natural light. Flows straight out to the terrace and pool. It's got that inside-outside feeling that just works in the Algarve. The kitchen's open plan with dining feels cozy and casual. It's perfect for long breakfasts and spontaneous dinners with friends. Two of the bedrooms are downstairs, both ensuite and both opening directly onto the garden. Great for guests or kids who want their own space. Up here, you've got a little nook. It could be a reading spot or an home office. And two charming suites, with beautiful views over the countryside towards the coast. Outside is where the magic really happens. Sun-drenched terraces, a generous pool, and the corner gardens that feels like secret hideaways, transmitting a genuinely peaceful vibe. This home is all about enchanting atmosphere. If you're drawn to character, charm, or a slow pace of life, this could be the one. For more information about this listing, please visit our website with the reference 4154 or be sure to contact me directly to book your visit. Thank you for watching.